Is ChatGPT showing an error on your computer? Are you getting a message that says unable to load site? In this video, we will try to fix this issue. Let's get started. First, go to your search bar and type network, or simply type and search for network settings, click view network and devices. Next, right-click on network and click properties. Then select adapter settings. After that, right-click on your Ethernet connection, the one connected to your LAN network or router. Select properties, look for Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. Uncheck or disable the box beside it. Then click OK. Now, try opening ChatGPT again. And now, it's working. It's that simple. Just follow the steps, disable IPv6, and try opening ChatGPT again. Hopefully, this quick fix works for you too. In my case, disabling IPv6 fixed the problem. However, please note that this is most likely an issue that your ISP needs to fix. It was working before even with IPv6 enabled, so the root cause may be related to your internet service provider. I hope this helps. If you're planning to buy something from Shopee or Lazada, feel free to visit my compiled affiliate store. I've listed practical IT needs such as computer accessories, printers, printer parts, ink, and other printing supplies. Just go to my YouTube channel and look for the store tab to find all the recommended items. You can get up to 20 to 25% off on selected items by using available YouTube vouchers. This is available only in the Philippines, where Shopee and Lazada operate.